what to get. We're at this place. They have a bunch of mini food stalls or food trucks, and we're at the Brazilian stall. And they have so many nice pastries in the case, but I'm not sure what I want to get. It's also in Portuguese, so let me practice my Portuguese pronunciation.
Wait a sec, let me...
He said it tastes like cream soda. Can I turn your soda off?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get the cocoa.
Do you know this soda? This is specifically Brazilian.
No, just Latino.
Okay, let's see what I got from the Brazilian place. Wait, where did Gavin go again?
He wants to grab
Oh, sweet potato. The sweet, can I show the sweet potato?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can I look?
He got sweet potato. Look how yummy that looks.
A little bit of
Look at how good that looks. It's yummy.
Yeah, it's like vanilla.
Oh.
The one from El Salvador is called cola.
More sweet potato. I should have asked to refry it.
The cheese one is literally like...
Where's the cheese?
There is cheese, it's just like on the edge.
I'm gonna get the soda. Thank you. That's why I was late.
Oh, what you have to do for
I washed my hair, then I was like, I need to do something with it, so I had to like blow dry it. Then after that, it was just malfunctioning, so I was like, I'll just do an afro. I don't know. I was trying to get inspired to do like a hairstyle where I braided some part, but it wasn't working out how I wanted it to. I'm gonna buy the soda and come back. I forgot, I went to buy it. Yum! I just started it again, but I'm gonna turn it off now.
Don't record my thunder thighs.
You're making me shake. Alright. How was your pan something?
Oh, this is an interview now? Oh
Yeah.
god. It's delicious. It's like a kind of a gelatinous pudding. It's got really strong rum taste with
Oh, it has rum in it?
Yeah. It's rum
Ooh,
panna
can I
cotta.
see?
With you can see there's some vanilla extract in there with the beans intact. Perfect texture, creamy, well balanced. Highly recommend.
I'm sorry, the camera wasn't focusing on the dessert.
That's alright.
Someone said that they like your energy when they watched my video.
Oh really?
Yeah, they did.
He's like, he's chaotic.
Oh, yeah.
I love him. He made like approximate of his voice, right? Because you're tangent.
Oh, yeah.
Depending on what he says, you know, sometimes the chat is like adding some random stuff. So at some point it's like, okay, it's like they kill him, right? So they basically stop the whole program and reset it. So it doesn't have like full knowledge of what it said. Like it retains what he's trying to say, but it doesn't have a back. But but he can make it remember up to like what the responses, pre-responses were or whatever. So he's like, let's give welcome to Sam number 2, and then like if it goes off high wire, it like kills it and puts like a gunshot.
Oh my goodness.
But he just basically terminates.
I think it's coffee. Kohi.
In like shoes and stuff.
Oh really?
Oh, okay.
Get like the smelliness goes.
That makes sense.
I'm so happy. So we just finished from by the cafe. We're gonna head to JC's place for a play date, and then we're gonna go get conveyor belt sushi at Hamazushi. Yay!
Okay, vlog day in the life in Japan.
Yeah, this is what ALTs get up to on a Saturday when it's cold outside. I almost walked into the river.
Don't fall into the river with your camera.
That would be great content. That's the thumbnail.
I fell into the river in Japan. Yeah. Let me show you the river. Give you some B-rolls.
What is river in Japanese?
What is river in Japanese?
Oh my god, girl, come on. I was like, I thought you knew it.
I probably knew it, but like at the moment of you asking me, I didn't know it.
Come on, N4.
Oh, look at the duckies. What if you fall? I in. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm sorry I bullied you last time. Yeah, they came back for me.
That's what it is.
Me too.
Like the courtroom people, like who.
He's gonna get this one.
I don't have enough money.
How much do you need?
I just need 100.
I have 100.
Are you sponsoring me?
Go ahead, this one.
Sponsoring me for the
I'm gonna
video?
use your face. Yeah, this is your payment.
Today's video brought to you by the teacher.
Thanks, Sugar Mom.
The teacher
I'm a princess.
Thanks, Sugar Princess.
Okay, wait.
Huh?
Keep turning.
On the way.
Yeah,
The arrow.
I did. I put 3.
Keep turning it.
Let's try it again.
Okay. Take 2.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah.
Damn it. Empty? Huh?
Oh, it's empty.
It's empty, bro.
That's so funny.
This thing is amazing. Didn't clean the scallop. It looks like a dish.
It doesn't look as appealing as the white one.
I don't know how I'm eating all this food. Can I?
Is it Hokkaido butter?
Yeah.
We got the sea bream.
That's not me.
The food is so good tonight. Look at my plate.
Really?
Lit up. He's like mine.
But I have no room.
But man, like when you follow a good recipe, sometimes it's like,
30.
why do I ever try?
Yeah. I don't know.
This
guy on YouTube.
It's better to just follow the recipe sometimes.
Good. Nice. Yeah.
You were sharing the dessert, so like,
Alright. I guess
it's actually quite a good idea.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Did you
you see the video, or like there's someone who did a live stream of like finishing a glass of water but with chopsticks? It's like I forgot how long it took them to do that. It was like forever, like many hours.
To take the video.
Oh, sure. It's really good.
It's like lava texture.
Yeah, is it good?
It's so good. So I made it back home. Now I'm editing a video. Yay! So this was a short day in the life, I guess. It was nice making a video for you again. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reaches.